Hello, welcome to my channel, the AI Times, Unlocking the Future newsletter. Welcome to my channel. So I'm being today is discussing a really exciting news and really very mind blowing news for the AI about the AI. So not wasting any more time, I will be heading to start my today's AI agenda. So let's start our today's AI agenda, latest AI newsletter. So first, what is the first? First is the way the races to top with the onslaught of AI application. Pentagon plots vast AI-powered a military network. HubSpot launches a AI tools for marketing and sales. OpenAI to host a first day conference in November. Institute brings a AI assistance to product. So in second sections, I will be discussing AI research papers, and then I have latest AI tools. And last, I will be discussing, I will be sharing, and we will be mind blowing prompts that is related to the ChatGPT prompt, Mid Journey prompt. So yeah, stay tuned. I will be discussing a lot of great news about AI times. So yeah, so heading towards the first news hour. What is the weather races to top with on slides of a AI application? So what is this in this news? What this article has been saying? So yeah, here is it. And Baidu resists to race to top with their own slides of AI applications. So what is the report? Is Baidu open receiving approval for releasing of their AI chatbot? Amy has unveiled 10 or novel AI applications and over 70 different languages models will be available to the public and a government departments. What is the key point in this? For context, Chat, GPT, Bird, and Llama 2 have not officially entered the Chinese market because all major US tech firms face restrictions and requires approval for releases in China. At a conference on Tuesday, Baidu mentions that its AI-powered cloud storage offering are already being used by over 6 million individuals and 10,000 firms to help individual and terms shift through documents, translate materials, and produce the content. They are also unveiled many new generative AI products, including a product aimed to helping in areas such as like traffic regulations, financial investigations, and coal mine logistics. Notable, Baidu has had start on the Chinese market and has closed ties with the government departments including transport, logistics, and tourism. What does should care? Why you should care? With the populations of over 1.4 billion citizens, it will be interesting to see how their AI developments compare to a big tech firms in the US, especially considering their test market size and monopolistic approach. So that is what summarized one article. So heading goes what the article really is this? Where is this the articles? Here's articles about the way to the China over the US and AI arms races and Tuesday even Baidu generative AI based products, traffic management, financial search and coal mine logistics. It was not immediately clear that product ever were available for public use. On August 31, Baidu releases its Amy bot public signal government approval of the AI-powered chatbot. Other Chinese companies also releases similar AI products around that time, same times. So yeah, its term rules would not apply to companies developing the AI tech as long as the product was not available in the mass public, and that's more relaxed than a draft released April that said the forthcoming rules would apply even the research stage. TPDN from Microsoft back OpenAI is not officially available. Chinese where Google's and Facebook are blocked. So yeah, and then we have related to the news that is the Pentagon plots a vast AI-powered military network. What is this? According to the Wall Street Journal, the Pentagon is planning to fast track the development of an artificial intelligence military network to stay a share for challenges from Chinese and other global advances. The details the USA plans to spend hundreds of millions to develop extensive networking of AI powered technology drones and autonomous systems that are small, smart, and cheap. Small, smart, and cheap. How cool is that? They have been producing one of the great autonomous systems. They have a small, they have a smart, and they have a cheap. And second point, the military wants to air, land, and sea capability to provide a surveillance, logistics, and the spending is part of the 1.8 billion AI budgets requested and regulated to annual last week. With the adversaries like Chinese increasing the investment in autonomous systems, the Defense Department wants to contract with space-based autonomous systems, ground-based logistic and missiles defense systems. Why does matter? Integrating AI into every phase of the military is unexpected but scary inevitability as we drive further down an AI-driven warfare path, striking the right balance between the expedition's development and through the auditing. It's a critical, and the global stakes have ever been a higher. So yeah, they have been working on a vast AI-powered military network. So what is this articles has been? And I'm not sure the really they've been putting hard in the military. So being the AI technology more better for the military ones, but use them in the safe way. So that was an articles over there. You can go and read it, but I'm not sure because it is premium. You have to go and sign in for the subscribe for this. Let you know. I have the video of this. So what this video has been saying. So I will play for a while. What is
Just a few yards away, more than a dozen other state-of-the-art robots that are expected to completely change the nature of surveillance and warfare on the water. We're getting a rare look at the cutting-edge technology the U.S. is testing, technology that other nations are competing to develop too.
Well, right now we're on the leading edge of it, and our goal is to stay on the leading edge.
Here in Bahrain, a U.S. Navy team known as Task Force 59 has created a testbed for some of the latest and greatest commercially made marine drones. The drones here aren't armed. For now, they're loaded with high-tech radios, cameras, radar, and all kinds of other sensors to help expand the Navy's eyes and ears in the ocean. There are more than a dozen unmanned platforms being tested by the Navy as part of an effort to develop the world's first big unmanned fleet of these boats.
We're using a model, which I just call factory to fleet.
This is Vice Admiral Brad Cooper. He established Task Force 59 to rapidly integrate unmanned technology and artificial intelligence.
We're bringing things here very quickly and then testing them in the environment that would ultimately serve and quickly determining can they show promise and be effective in this environment because it's a tough environment here in the Middle East.
From this Navy base in Bahrain, Vice Admiral Cooper commands the 5th Fleet, which covers some of the most dynamic, dangerous, and commercially important waters in the world. There are 3 key choke points here, all vital to the global supply chain. There are also a number of hostile actors, most notably Iran, which poses all kinds of maritime threats. In recent months, the Navy has seen record drug and weapon seizures, including from boats traveling from Iran to Yemen, with large amounts of explosive material, ammunition, rocket fuses, and AK-47s. And that has all been since the Navy has put some of the drones into operation.
Ensuring maritime.
so yeah, that's for news between Pentagon plans to vast AI play to counter China threat. So they're producing a vast and very effective drones, and they've been testing without using these arms, and they will deploy it when the success of these tests. So yeah, that is related to the AI drones, and they are producing a lot of for this for the military ones. So yeah, that's the news, and then we have. Then I will have discussing with HubSpot launches the AI tools for marketing and sales. Reported in CRM giant HubSpot just announced the HubSpot AI, a portfolio of AI-driven features of sales and marketing and services and teams and the company and new Inbound in 2023 conference. What is this? HubSpot AI feature, including assistance to help create a content and generate ideas as agents for improved customer services and insight for predictive forecasting. Also featured in AI suite is ChatSpot and ChatGPT power tool that has seen 8,000 users since on March 23 public beta launch. HubSpot also announced its Rev Sales Hub, which has AI-powered features to streamline prospecting, track leads, facilitate seamless scheduling, handoffs, improve deal management. Yes, overall, as a AI continue to transform the company's operations, HubSpot's AI initiative is promising step towards empowering small businesses with less effort. So yeah, that was raised to the HubSpots. There's a HubSpot and will HubSpot AI and new sales hub at Unbound 2023. HubSpot has been thinking deeply about these challenges and trading quickly to help our customers thrive in the age of the intelligence. We introduced many powerful new features functionality inbound 2023, and I am excited by the progresses in becoming the hashtag number one customers platform to scaling companies. So they are the available global HubSpot AI composed of AI assistants, generative AI tools, supercharging marketing, sales, and services teams. AI assistants across the entire HubSpot, crafting content, genetic blog ideas, AI agents. Yes, then AI insights, productive AI features, including a stronger analyzer competitions. Then we have ChatSpot currently in the public beta. ChatSpot combine the power of the ChatGPT with dozens of unique data sources like HubSpot's customer support SRMA, Twitter made of growing business since launching in March 23. Thousands of users and over 20 prompts created weekly. How cool is this? Yeah, it's good news about how HubSpot is the customer platform that helps your business grow better, and HubSpot delivers a seamless connections for customers facing a dreams with an unfried platform, and that includes the AI power engagement hubs, a smart SRM, and connected ecosystems that extends the customer's platform with over 50,000 AI marketplace integrations, a community network, and educational content. HubSpot Academy today over 184,000 customers like DoorDash, Reddit, Everbright, and Tumblr across more than 120 countries use HubSpot to attract, engage, and digital customers learn more. Go and well, on HubSpot. So then we have OpenAI is to host a first day conferences in November. OpenAI announced its inaugural developer event, Dave Day, on November 6th in San Francisco. In-person attendees can join a sessions and periods with a live stream also available for the global audience. OpenAI aims to bring its 20 billion plus API developers together. Yes, and share the latest AI tools through CEO Sam Adams tempered expectations by tweeting on GPT-5 or 4.5 or anything like that. Claim down. So yeah, that's I think that will be a great conference on that will be in November. Yeah, and what was this? This is over there. Please join our first developer conferences OpenAI Day on November 26th on San Francisco. It will be in to November 6th and 2023. How cool is that? That will be in San Francisco one day event. That it will be 100 of developers from around the world together with we new exchange ideas and person attendance will also be able to join breakdown sessions, open AI technical staffs. Since launching API 2022, we have continuously updated, including a most advanced models, making it ever of developers integrating AI introduce their projects with a simple API calls today. Over 2 billion developers using GPT-4, GPT-3.5 Dolly to Whisper for getting onto existing applications. So yeah, we are looking forward on last work will the new things said Sam Adams CEO and open. So go it will be so visit daveday and openai.com. Go and visit this, and I think there will be a sign in for this. Yeah. So I look that will be the great conferences and much more good things in this. I think will someone will be going over there. One of the great people have been going over there. I don't know. Well, I'm not going over there in future. Maybe I will be for right now, but whoever they're going, they've been putting a good news over there, good ideas, exchange of their new peoples, and will be one of the great developers over there who will be reducing their tools and what they've been doing for work. So yeah, that was good news for the OpenAI. Then we have Institute brings a AI assistant to products. Institute unveiled the first public AI solutions Institute assistant, which will integrate across its platform, including TurboTax and QuickBooks and Credit Karma and Mailchimp. Yes, digital assistance aims to serve personalized recommendations using that in data, while also heading tasks like simplified tax filing, sales insight, and customized email campaign. What is this? Institute launches a generative AI-powered digital assistant for small business and consumers. Francisco coding software giant AI's first customer facing generative AI-powered solutions, digital assistance businesses and consumers. So yeah, that was a good news, and that will be a really good news for insights for businesses. So unless the business ideas and their what they are trying to doing for scaling up their business from in the marketplace and where they are heading to in the marketplace and what is their also where to get more and more and better customers and their business go faster uh, as much they've been great ideas and how they analyze it in a better way. So that's cool. And so yeah, that was my last news. And and second sections, I will be discussing and giving these AI research papers and showing this really great AI research papers. So what is the first AI research paper? Is about it will be about a doppelgangers. I think I will pronounce really well. Sorry for if I not. So learning to disambiguate images of a similar structure. The paper presents solutions to the visual disambiguity problems, discriminations, whether visual similar images represent the same distinct 3D surfaces. These ambiguities refer to as a doppelganger challenges humans' perceptions and 3D reconstruction algorithm. The authors introduced the doppelgangers datasets containing label images pairs and propose a neural network architecture to address these challenges. Their method effectively distinguishes Al-Suri matches, improving a 3D constructions. The datasets collected from the Wikipedia once the image pairs also labeled based on both geometric and visual cause. Data agreements includes a flipping image to create and navigate a pairs of training. So what is this? Here's a research paper related to this. So they are the people who have been working on this. They are from Cornell University, they are every universities, and they are the people who will be working on this idea. There's abstract, there's introductions from time to time. We face with a task of distributions between the two things that are really integration able to, but the same objects, examples such as look look likes include identical twice assembling two similar key on keychain and two cups to table at a party, only one of which is ours. While these objects might look identically, they are oftenly cause we can use to tell them apart. For instance, even identically twins or not truly visually identically but have a perspectively differences. What are the difference between two of these? Yeah, the image was showing this. What is the difference of this images between having the same and identically? So yeah, that's cool. Research papers, everything does related work, what they work for this. The local features methods have been widely successfully the combination of respectively discriminations and verifications, images, transformations, and robustness of the factors like partial conclusions make local features ideal for answering the questions and with two images and correspondence solidify the issue for downstreams like image retrieval, near duplicates detections, and structure from motions. Some project like the local features answer the negations, yes, negations of these questions. They're showing the difference of these two images, and it will be analyzed. I think that is relatively true about this, and it looks good. And everything in this is they are giving their thoughts on this. Although they have shown experiment, what they get visualization of these images. They take 1 to 3 images, they analyze it. They're coming up with something great news, great insights what they show the of this research paper. So yeah, that's cool research paper and this I find it really, really great in this research paper. So go. I find this really good sketches and they work a lot of work on this. Yeah, they have also show conclusions in last and they have a reference as well. So that was my first AI research paper. Then my second AI research paper related to the on wide feed forward as is all you need. So in this paper, the authors explore the feed-forward network, the component of the transforming architecture and its redundancy. They find a sharing a single FFN across the encoder layers while eliminating the FFN in the decoder layers results in significant parameter saving without sacrificing accuracy. They also suggest using wider FFN in the encoder, achieving improved the accuracy, reduce the latency compared to the original transformer big model. The study includes the experiment on the various languages pairs and authors analyze the representational similarity between the different models. The results highlighting the opportunity for optimizing model architectures for a particle development. So what is this article is? Here this article one wide and feed forward is all you need. They are the people who are working over these articles. They are abstract. You can show these introductions and it will become many natural language processing LLP task machine translations, MIT several studies have shown with transform presumes say scaling law properties. So yeah, it's cool. I think they show the background and methodology. What is the methodology they apply for this transformer, showing the widening of the FFN. They show each and everything in this research paper. being, and so it really great insights over there. What they find of their details, they also show what they figure out what things in this, or they have limitation ethical statement, what they find this on the ethical statement and a reference and last. So that's cool, and they're working really hard on this research papers, and they have been exploring it, sharing with these people to work more on it, to work more better on it. So yeah, and next in my third session is related to trading AI tools. So I'm discuss first trading AI tools. What is the first AI trading tools? This is the Wonder Chat. Instantly build a custom chat GPT for your website. So what is to build a custom chat bot. Chat GPT instantly with your knowledge and base. Build your custom chat GPT powered chat bots and train as your website link and PDF file instantly. Go and try this. There's also a pricing feature. Go and book for the demo trial for free trial for this and find it there. What do you find in this? And you bring up your own chatbot using this tool. So what will the next one is my GPT brain. Search your digital presence for key information. That will share digital information, key information on this. Yeah, I have not tried. I have. What is this tool is all about? This looks. Let's a brain talk. So yeah, I have not tried this. So go and find this as related to the yeah. This name is my GPT Brain. Search your digital presence for key information. Then we have a profile pro optimizing your Google's business profile for free. It will be optimize your business profile. It will be free and say there's a free AI SEO tools. So go, it will be free. It's all for free SEO tools that will and you find AI SEO tool that optimize your Google business profile for free. Yeah, that will be create your Google business profile and free. You can see this here, the example that show up over there. So go and sign in and try this tool. And what this will say free AI Chrome extension, Google business profile, weekly newsletter with marketing tips, news, Google's review, QR code images, chat marketing prompts, our blog, your YouTube channel, Google review software guide. Yeah, it looks good. I think find it really great in this. So go and try this too. And what next? Next we have a auto drew makes drawing a fast and easy to for everyone. So go and let's have a start drawing, auto draw, fast draw for everyone. I not try the fast you click and fast it goes. So go fast drawing or fast go. Go and with these tools, go and sign. I would say go and try this tool. I have not tried. I just find it over there like this image. So it's showing the start drawing or fast how to draw. Click anyone this tool and you will be go inside it and find new thing in this. Then we have a Pipo. Sorry, I have PIPIO. Turns your words into a video with AI. Oh, it will cool that it turns your video into AI. Cool that turns your video words into video. If you are speaking, that will turn into video. Easily creates a video in a minute with the own advanced digital actors. You do not help typing. They will to be to do the talking. So yeah, let's have a privacy version. Go and try this and get into this and use this rule. Then we have a store TL. Then DV tried of tracking notes. Let's TID to the job transcript. I think automatically takes key moments and summarize your calls. I think it is a meeting. Yeah, it is a meeting once. So your talk with your meeting notes and it runs the show. Go sign in. That will be help you a meeting and when you have been doing meetings and it will be. I think it will summarize it. Go and for Zoom, it will be added in Zoom or Google Meet. Use this tool. It will be Scalabio when you are being sharing within a meeting you are and what you're not understanding. That will be summarized as something over here. Well, that's your example over there. Go and get this logins. Yes. Then we have and last growth bar writer optimizing SEO friendly blog content with AI. That will be friendly SEO friendly blog content with AI. That will create a blog. I think so. Yeah, it is create a blog. It's cool. I find really cool these AI tools. Create your content and using your blog, making SEO content that Google loves with AI. Right to optimize your friendly blog content 10x faster with the growth power AI. Go wait for the list. Get content now. Cool and cool tool is this. And go and sign in these tools and try these tools. I think I have a good feature in these tools. Will help you write your content. That was my last tool, and my last sessions is related to the prompt tutorial. First prompt tutorial I will be sharing with you, that will be analyze your price strategy for instant product services, suggest improvement, and develop a new pricing strategy that maximize your profitability and customer satisfaction. What is your product? Current pricing strategy. Insert over here. Here's example over there. What is the product? My product is streaming services subscription. What is the current price strategy? Monthly subscription for rupees are $20. Annual subscription is a whole detail in this. Then you just copy and paste, and what do you want to try to do, what is your product and what is your strategy for this pricing strategy, what do you want to put in this, put over there, then we'll whole ChatGPT summarize these things over here. You can see this. Great. And last, I'll be sharing the mid-journey prompt. So that is the mid-journey prompt 8K UHD. So what is the tip in this specific desired resolutions for 8K results? Copy and paste. Here is the resolution of 8K results. And here is a prompt. A helicopter shot of a Midwestern towns in 1950s. 8K UHD, and you can show this specifics, and you can AR 16 double dot nine. So that's looks good view over there. You can see this, they have a good stunning for images over there. It will be drawn on mid journey prompt. So go and copy this and try this different, and last you just put over 8K UHD, and here's put over this prompt, and whatever you're trying to over there prompt is trying to this with prompt. This looks good, and try this prompt on your own mid journey prompt. So what do you find in this, and try this. This looks good image. And yeah, that's it. That's just my today's AI agenda. I hope you like my all sections. And so let me know which sections you like in my comments. So I will be trying more improving all my sections in this. So thanks for watching. Keep eye on my next sections, next AI times, next AI agenda. So this time, goodbye.